Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace has slowly but surely become a very popular marketplace to buy and sell literally everything and anything that you can imagine. As you can see here, from sunglasses to pianos to pressure washers and even cars and houses. So there are a few things you can do here. If you are a buyer, you have a search bar. So let us tap on a search bar and type in something that we would like to search for. So let's just say a camera perhaps, and here you can save this search. So whenever new listings match this criteria, you can literally get a notification. You can change your filters right over here, so you can sort by different suggestions, or you can say distance or price. You can also change the price range, condition, date listed, category, availability. And then you can obviously change your location, and now you can look through the details of the items that are for sale. So let's just say that we are looking for a camera and we'd like to just have a look at this camera. So here, of course, you can scroll through the photographs. Those are some nice photographs. You can see the title. You can then message the seller and inquire about it. You can add an alert, you can send an offer, you can share this, and then you can save it. You'll also see that there is a description here, and you can actually see the seller has a profile. So this seller over here has a profile, and you can actually view that person's profile. You can also see what else they have sold in the past, and you can see how long they've been on Facebook. And basically, this just allows you to verify if this is like legit or not. Okay. Also gives you a location, but it is approximate. And then these are just ads. So this is how you use it as a buyer. If you want to use it as a seller, quite simply, you're going to go right over here and click on sell. Here you can create a listing for an item, a vehicle, or a home. And then you can add your photographs of whatever product you are wanting to sell, add a title, price, look for a category, choose a condition, add a description, a location, and then a bunch more options. And once you're done, on the top right, you're going to click on publish. This will become public. And then within a few days, I think it's about 7 days, you can actually renew the listing and push it to the top of the feed without having to recreate the ad.